nag-start po ako na meron na nagsusupport behind.
O, tignan niyo, mali pala itong script ko. Meron ko lang po, joke lang. So, you started as... Diba? Pinasa ko lang po yun. So, may ano ka na pala, may kasama ka na before. And now, you're leading the entire esports community as the CEO of Rumble Royal. Isipin niyo yun, grabe!
Kaya Rumble Royal din po yung nag-support sa akin.
Oh,
Way back then.
grabe, sobrang achievement. What is your biggest turning point that made you realize you can do more and successfully build opportunities for other esports aspirants, especially as a girl in the male-dominated industry?
Oh. Actually, I would like to thank muna kayo guys who organized this campaign. Kasi without you guys, we're not gonna be able to share this story, inspiring story. Kasi many of us guys, like, napanghihinaan ng loob mag-umpisa. Pero we're like you guys, nag-start kami from wala. So, yung pagpunta ko sa career path na meron ako right now, it's actually accident. Hindi ko siya in-expect. Kasi gamer lang din talaga ako na nag-aaral before. I was studying computer engineering and most of my classmates during that time likes to play. So we play after kapag meron kaming free time, ganyan. Tapos may nag-aya one time na, uy, may Philippine representative representing the, Philippine representative, so naipapadala sa, worlds, right? So, nagsama-sama kami. You know, if you know the term na nag-EB kami, like eyeball, ganyan. So, nag-meet kami, nanonood kami, tapos naglaro kami magkakasama. So sa isang bahay, kanya-kanya kami dala ng PC. Tapos, doon kami naglaro, magkakasama. Tapos nung time na nun, nagkaroon ako ng problem sa tuition fee. Tapos I was planning to stop kasi nga, thesis na pag engineering, magastos ng Tapos, nung time na yun, from Rumble Real, our friend, tapos nagsabi siya na, maybe we can stream, Twitch pa nun way back. Tapos, I tried to stream with them. So, sila nag-set up, sila ganyan. Tapos, ang ginagawa pa namin doon, nagpa-connect kami ng internet, tapos wala pang fiber back then. So, we have 2 PCs upload and for download. And then, video capture. Medyo technical. Pero yun, doon na siya nag-start. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi I was just gonna play. Kasi nga daw, sinasabi ng friends ko na, ibang klase kasi yung gameplay ko. Kasi I'm little, pero yung mga gamit kong champion, mga mama. Mga mama, tas mga tank, gano'n. So, hindi ako nagsusupport. I'm off-tank or mga berserk, gano'n. And I like yung mga war games. I play Call of Duty. Way back then pa, nung wala pa internet, Red Alert, ganyan. Tapos, Company of Heroes, ganyan. So weird yung mga nilaro ko. Tapos, nung time na yun, within just 7 days, na-earn ko yung buong college tuition fee ko. Yeah, so sobrang sobrang wow, kasi minsan pinapakanta nila akong Lupang Hinirang habang naglalaro. Kakantayin ko talaga kasi I will donate $200 sing while playing. Ganun. So, wala naman akong alam kanta kundi happy birthday, Lupang Hinirang. So, doon siya naging very entertaining. Tapos, pumasok sa isip ko, to answer the question, what's next? So, what's next for me is, pwede pala to. Tapos may mga brands na lumalapit. Actually, if you guys remember, you were one of the first brands who supported me, PLDT. Yan, nung nagsa-start pa lang yung career ko as Suzy Sor and yung Rumble Royal. Tapos, together with Suzy Sor, nag-grow din si Rumble Royal as his production and now it's creative experience agency. So we do online and offline activation. And speaking of online, very important yung mga na-organize naming tournaments, show, ganyan. Kaya very helpful na we have super reliable connection. Kasi ever since I was using talaga PLDT, wala to sa script guys. It's just really PLDT talaga ever since, kahit sa personal namin. Tapos, very reliable and hindi kami nagkakaproblema when it comes may event kami. Ganyan. So, yun. Yan, that's the starting point na, I can do more, I can share more, ganyan. So, yeah. Yan. I hope I answered.
Aww. Yeah. Sobrang inspiring ng tatlong guests natin. Yeah. Really on your how you